Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having another video about Argentina, but it's ice cold edition. Patagonia! Patagonia is a huge natural region at the southern end of South America, between the Andes Mountains and the Atlantic Ocean. It is shared by Argentina and Chile, and it is famous for wild nature, big mountains, and amazing animals. It is also one of the largest desert regions in the Americas, and some parts have almost no trees at all. It is a perfect place for hiking and adventure. In 1520, the explorer Ferdinand Magellan visited this region. The landscapes there are very diverse. You can see tall mountains, huge glaciers, dry plains, and deserts, as well as beautiful lakes and rivers. Many interesting animals live in Patagonia, such as llamas and guanacos, pumas, eagles, and even whales near the coast. Do you know what is a guanaco? It's an alpaca-like or llama-like animal that is so cute. One of the most famous places in Patagonia is the Perito Moreno Glacier. It is a giant river of ice located in a national park. The glacier moves very slowly, about as fast as your fingernails grow. It is about 30 kilometers long, 5 kilometers wide, and up to 70 meters tall above the water, which is as tall as a 20-story building. What makes this glacier special is that big pieces of ice often break off and crash into the water with a loud boom sound. This process is called calving. Unlike many other glaciers in the world, Perito Moreno is still growing and moving forward. The ice looks bright blue because it is very thick and reflects blue light. Near the glacier, you can see animals such as condors, foxes, and guanacos. Visitors can even walk on the glacier with special guides, but they need to wear special shoes with spikes. Another amazing place is Lago Argentino, the biggest lake in Argentina. It is a glacier lake, which means it is filled with water from melting ice. The water looks milky blue because of tiny rock particles from glaciers. You can take a boat trip on the lake to see Perito Moreno and other glaciers like Uppsala or Spegazzini. In the area, you might see animals like flamingos, condors, foxes, and guanacos. Even in summer, the water is very cold. Some icebergs floating in the lake are bright blue, and the lake is so big that it looks like a sea surrounded by mountains. This is the end of the Republic of Argentina. It's Chile. And Chile is a different country. At the very bottom of South America, there is Tierra del Fuego, which is a group of islands shared by Argentina and Chile. Its name means land of fire. Long ago, Ferdinand Magellan saw many fires along the shore made by indigenous people, and this is how the region got its name. Tierra del Fuego is cold and very windy. It has snowy mountains, forests, lakes, and rocky coasts of icy water. A famous city in this region is Ushuaia, which is often called the southernmost city in the world. You can find many animals there, such as penguins, foxes, sea lions, and many seabirds. This region is closest to Antarctica, and many ships start their journeys there. It is also one of the windiest places on the earth. Near Ushuaia, there's a small island called Isla Martillo. which means Hammer Island. It is a home to many penguins. And welcome the penguins. They're my friends. They're all my friends. These penguins come back to the same place every year and build their nests on the ground. They are excellent swimmers but look a bit clumsy when they walk on the land. On the island, you can see Magellanic penguins, Gentoo penguins, and sometimes even a rare king penguin. It is very a must or important to be quiet and careful when visiting, and people must not touch the penguins so they do not get scared. Well guys, I think that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. See you in another video. Bye!